Yo, guys, ndihleli apha, I'm about to watch the entire situation, the Madlanga Commission. Lapho Umkhwanazi is going to be the first witness. Guys, advocate just finished. Is it Motaung? I think it's Motaung. He just finished telling us the do's and the don'ts and what will happen, how many stages, how this thing is going to go, how long it needs to be, how are the witnesses going to be called. Konke nje yonke lo shandis leyo. But interest yam is ukuthi I so wish Umkhwanazi can speak isiZulu when he's doing this, because I want to hear that Zulu language. But ke I'm sure it's gonna be English, but it was my wish ukuthi nje he can nje pha kwaZulu kwelikamthaniya, but it's not going to happen, I'm sure. The other thing that I'm interested in, I want him to make sure whatever he says, he passes by Pretoria High Court and be talking about the things that happened with the Senzo Meyiwa case, not just about DJ Sam, but everything that we need to know. We need to be told about the Senzo Meyiwa case and all these cases, the AKA case. Asitshele naye kuye ukuthi kwenzekalani, why kungade kuhanjelwe phambili, or in fact ukuhanjelwa kwaphambili kwayo AKA case for me ukuthi why umastermind is not arrested, marima liyabona ukuthi iphuma kuphi. Do you understand? So we need all of that. Angazi, what are your thoughts, guys? But I'm sitting here like, Mkhwanazi, you better drop those gatas, you better drop those names, you better tell us everything, because what the hell is this, guys? What the hell is this? Guys, ngicela nifocus ngiyayazi ukuthi ngimuhle, but iyekeni inhloko yami enamathuba abaphaya, yabo, but mina ngimuhle. But ke namhlanje lelo langa Umkhwanazi uze luzokumela into yakhe ayiqalile, lantu Julius Malema ayibiza athi he started this mess, he must deal with it. So he's here to deal with that mess. He's here and ufresh ngimbonile sekathe ufresh, uchebile ubhuti wakhona, uclean, unithi, ukhuluma isingesi. Yo! Kuthi ngithi isikhihle sikanandi, because what the hell? Why is he speaking English? Why is he speaking English? Okay, fine. Abanye abakhona ukukhuluma inguni languages. Fine, I understand. But ke yiko ke lokho sana. Silapha ke ngoku for the Daideng, and I'm looking forward to it. I do not want to lie. Now, what are you looking forward to kule commission? Because mna kuningi. I am looking forward to knowing exactly what is Sibiya's role in the entire situation. How does it link Sibiya yonke lento? How much criminology did he play a role kuyo? And also Minister Mchunu, what is his role? How much criminology is he involved in? Is Bekicele's name going to come up? Is Jacob Zuma's name going to come up? Is that SEPS department, that site, that division of intelligence, whose names are going to come up when they started? All of that nje ngifuna ukuyizwa. Kukho la, there is that, I've got that what you call yayenzelwe that Zondo commission affidavit kaHlungwana, and it was never read. And yay izinto ezilapho, they talk about SEPS like in depth, the millions uSEPS anazo, the monies that are running there, the things that are done by those people that are high up kwa SEPS. You will be shocked, Gesana, for days. I hope Mkhwanazi is going to tell us all about it, about the hotels that they were bought, about the monies that they, but is in izinto zokuthi watch on each other, cell phone, what when you want to see umuntu kuphi uyenzani, ukhuluma nobani, all of that. Sifuna ukubona. I'm here for it every day. I don't know about you, but I know Nimadikela. Oh shame. Me, curious, shame ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi kwenzekalani in our country, because we've been in the dark for a very long time. In fact, at this point, I'm like, thank you, social media, thank you, technology, thank you to evolving, because ezinye izinto we've never known them. We've never known them. We believed what we saw on the media, but right now we are able to sit and make up our own minds. And omuntu oti, anyone who tells you ukuthi no, social media, in a power yayo, whether for negativity or for positivity, but it is very powerful. What people say on social media moves, sana. Things, even politicians are moved by what is said. Even courtrooms are moved by what is said. Even about Ramaphosa, like everything moves when the people come in one space and say, Yabanango, people know that Lord Mkhwanazi ain't here to play. And I love what he did finally. I love what he did before coming to the commission. He's like, I'm going to put a stamp here. Do you know what he did? He actually sued the hell out ufake i-lawsuit against ubani Osluven, whatever his name is, angisilongesi, mntana ngapha Eastern Cape. So whatever the name is or however it's pronounced, I don't care at this point, but the bottom line is that I am happy that he has done that. Also, I am happy he is getting an opportunity to actually lay out yonke into bare asibonise ukuthi what's going on. We are yet to see things of the eyes. Kuthiwa ukuhamba kukubona, uyabona thina ukubukela izaba kukubona, ukuba umzansi by South African kuzoba kukubona sana, because what the hell is this? What on earth is this? Hiyo ke leyo into esikuyo ngoku. Wena, what are your thoughts? Let's talk in the comment section. I want to hear your views. Thank you so much. Bye bye.